Do you understand English, but freeze when you try to speak? Let me tell you something honestly, that was me. For years I learned English. I studied grammar. I memorized vocabulary. I watched videos, movies, and lectures. I could understand almost everything. But when it came to speaking, I failed. I stayed silent. I avoided conversations. I felt embarrassed. And deep inside, I kept asking myself one question: why can I understand English, but not speak it? If this is your situation right now, then listen carefully. Because today I am going to tell you exactly how I became fluent in English. Not theory, not textbook knowledge, but a real, practical, scientific method that actually works. In this video, I will show you the exact steps I followed to transform myself from someone who was afraid to speak into someone who can speak confidently. And why does this matter? Because English is not just a subject. It is not just a language you learn in school. English is confidence. English is communication. English is opportunity. When you can speak English fluently, you express your ideas clearly. People understand you. People respect you. You get better opportunities in studies, in jobs, and in life. But when you cannot speak, even if you have knowledge, even if you are intelligent, you feel stuck. You feel invisible, and that is painful. Now let me tell you the truth that changed everything for me. My biggest mistake was this: I was training my brain, but I was not training my mouth. Yes, I was learning English. I was understanding English, but I was not speaking enough. And that is why I was not fluent. Most people think speaking English is about knowing grammar rules. They believe if they learn tenses, vocabulary, and sentence structures, they will become fluent. But that is not true. Speaking English is not just knowledge. Speaking is a physical skill. Let me repeat that. Speaking is a physical skill, just like riding a bike, just like driving a car, just like playing a sport. At the beginning, it feels uncomfortable. It feels difficult. You make mistakes. You feel slow. But with practice, it becomes automatic. This is called muscle memory. Your mouth has muscles, and those muscles need training. When you repeat words again and again, your brain and your mouth start working together. Your tongue learns where to move. Your lips learn how to form sounds. Your voice becomes more natural. And slowly, speaking becomes effortless. This was my turning point. The day I understood this concept, everything changed. I stopped focusing only on learning, and I started focusing on speaking. Every single day. Even when I did not feel confident. Even when I made mistakes. Even when I felt uncomfortable, I spoke. I started small, just 5 minutes a day. Yes, only 5 minutes. I did not wait for perfect sentences. I did not wait for perfect grammar. I simply started speaking. I talked about my day. I talked about what I ate. I talked about what I was thinking. Sometimes I spoke alone in my room. Sometimes I stood in front of a mirror. At first, it felt strange. It felt awkward. But I continued. Because I understood something very important: consistency is more powerful than perfection. Day by day, something started changing. My hesitation reduced, my confidence increased, my sentences became smoother, and slowly I started enjoying speaking. Then I discovered one of the most powerful techniques that completely changed my fluency: shadowing. This technique is simple but extremely powerful. Here is how it works. You listen to English and immediately repeat it. Not after a pause, not after thinking, immediately. You copy the speaker's tone, speed, and pronunciation. At first, it feels difficult. You may miss words. You may feel confused. But that is okay, because your brain is learning. Your brain and your mouth are syncing. And this is the magic. When you practice shadowing daily, your speaking improves faster than you can imagine. Your pronunciation becomes clearer. Your speed increases. Your confidence grows. But here is where most people make a mistake. They watch English content, but they do not speak. They listen passively. They think listening is enough, but it is not. Listening helps you understand, but speaking makes you fluent. If you want fluency, you must speak. There is no shortcut. There is no magic. Speaking is the only path to speaking. Another powerful change I made was this: I stopped translating. Earlier, whenever I wanted to speak, I used to think in my native language first. Then I translated it into English. This made me slow. This made me confused. This created hesitation. So I changed my approach. I started thinking in English. I kept it simple, very simple. I am going. I am eating. I am learning. Small sentences, no pressure, no complexity, and slowly my brain adapted. Now I did not need to translate. I could think directly in English, and this made my speaking faster and more natural. Another powerful habit I built was recording myself. This was uncomfortable, very uncomfortable. Listening to your own voice is not easy, but it is one of the best ways to improve. I started recording my speaking daily. Then I listened carefully. I noticed my mistakes. I noticed my pronunciation. I noticed where I was hesitating, and I worked on it, day by day. This is what professionals do. They observe themselves. They improve consciously, and that is how growth happens. I also started using technology in a smart way. Today, we have so many tools, apps that help with pronunciation, videos that provide practice, AI tools that give feedback. These tools are powerful. They can accelerate your learning. But remember this, tools are support. They are not the solution. The real solution is practice. If you use tools but you don't speak, you will not improve. If you practice daily, even without tools, you will improve. Now let me give you a strong warning. If you continue doing only this, watching videos, learning grammar, reading books, but not speaking, then even after years, you will still not be fluent. This is the reality. It may sound harsh, but it is true. You cannot become a swimmer by reading about swimming. You have to enter the water. In the same way, you cannot become fluent by only learning. You have to speak. Now let me tell you my clear opinion. Fluency is not about perfection. Fluency is about practice. You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need advanced vocabulary. You do not need big words. You need simple speaking, daily speaking, consistent speaking. That is enough. Another big challenge I faced was fear. Fear stopped me many times. Fear of making mistakes. Fear of what people will think. Fear of being judged. This fear is very common. Almost everyone feels it. But one day I made a decision. I decided that I will speak no matter what, even if I make mistakes, even if people judge me, even if I feel uncomfortable, I will speak. And something interesting happened. Nobody cared, nobody laughed. And even if someone noticed, it did not matter because I was improving. I realized something powerful. Mistakes are not failure. Mistakes are progress. Every mistake teaches you something. Every mistake makes you better. If you avoid mistakes, you avoid growth. So I stopped fearing mistakes, and I started embracing them. Finally, I understood the most important secret of fluency. Fluency is a habit. It is not a one-time achievement. It is not something you get in one day. It is something you build daily, through small actions, through consistent effort. Even today I practice. Even today I improve, because speaking is a skill, and skills grow with practice. Now I want you to imagine something. Imagine yourself speaking English confidently. You are talking without fear. You are expressing your ideas clearly. People are listening to you. People are understanding you. People respect you. You feel proud of yourself. You feel confident. That life is possible. That version of you is possible. But only if you start. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Not when you feel ready, because you will never feel ready. Start now. Start with small steps. Speak for 5 minutes today. Talk about your day. Use simple sentences. Practice shadowing. Think in English. Record yourself. Improve daily. That is enough. You do not need anything more. If you follow this process, if you stay consistent, you will see change, slowly but surely. And one day you will realize you are speaking fluently, without fear, without hesitation. And that day will change your life. So take action now. Make a decision, not a wish, not a plan, a decision that you will start speaking today. Comment below, I will start speaking today. Type it now. Commit to it, because your journey starts with one step. And if you want to truly transform your English, if you want to speak confidently without fear, then don't forget to subscribe to EnglishEats-V. This channel is created for you, to help you train your mouth, to help you build confidence, to help you become fluent step by step. So click the subscribe button right now. Join this journey.